In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund from the Apple App Store. If you accidentally bought an app or tried a paid app that didn't work out, Apple gives you a straightforward way to ask for your money back. I'll guide you through the process and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. This is a quick way to confirm exactly which app you downloaded and to see your purchase history. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to open your account. Then tap Purchased and next, tap My Purchases. You'll see a list of everything you've ever downloaded using your Apple ID, including both free and paid apps. Take a moment to find the app you want a refund for and note its exact name and icon. That will help you pick the correct item in the next part. Here's an important point. Refunds aren't requested directly inside the App Store app. Apple handles refund requests through its official website, which keeps everything linked to your Apple ID and helps protect your account. Now open a web browser on your iPhone. In the address bar, go to reportaproblem.apple.com. Make sure you're on Apple's site, then sign in with your Apple ID. This is the same account you used for the purchase. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Report a Problem page. From here, choose the option that says, I'd like to request a refund. You'll be asked to pick a reason for the request. Select the one that best matches your situation. For example, I didn't mean to buy this. Being accurate and clear helps Apple review your case faster. After choosing your reason, tap Next. You'll now see items associated with your account. Select the app you want a refund for, double check that it's the right one, and tap Submit. That's the core of the request, simple and quick. After you submit, Apple will review your request. Refunds aren't instant, so don't worry if you don't see money back right away. If your request is approved, the refund will be sent to the payment method linked to your Apple ID. Processing can take a few days, and timing can vary depending on your bank or payment provider. Apple will notify you about the decision, so keep an eye on your email. And that's how you request a refund from the Apple App Store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials.